Welcome to the July 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. On the cover, take a look at how Hoover Electric doubled its plumbing revenue and became a drain cleaning powerhouse. Check out their big break with Home Depot and their game-changing pipelining division. Plus, learn their secret to finding and keeping great employees. Marvel Sewer and Drain skyrocketed from a one-man show to a $3 million business. Find out how Ben Smith tackled major stress, invested in top tech, and built a thriving team. See how American Rooter and Drain boosted productivity with the Raptor cutting machine. No more constant maintenance, just reliable, powerful cleaning every day. Discover how it saved them time and money while increasing job efficiency. Check out how contractors are tackling the age-old problem of styrene fumes in cured-in-place pipelining. From non-styrene resin options to innovative barrier coatings, discover the latest solutions to mitigate emissions and ensure safer work environments. Read our Insider's Guide to Battling Burnout and learn actionable steps for massive results in productivity, engagement, creativity, and well-being. Check out Jetstream's latest innovation, the compact 2000 series bare shaft pump. With easy maintenance and efficient operation, it's perfect for low-horsepower water blasting jobs like hydro excavation. Would you like to see your company profiled in Cleaner Magazine? Email editor@cleaner.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.